Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more of these no-nonsense nutrition videos. Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and welcome to my channel Frise and Shine. Here you will find evidence-based, no-nonsense, nutrition-related information. And today's video is about whether or not pizza is healthy for you. Also, I have a really special channel update for you, so please watch this video until the end. Pizza is a universal favorite food. I've still to come across someone who doesn't like pizza. And yet, almost everyone I know considers pizza junk food or unhealthy food. And I think this is mostly because when we think pizza, we think cheese, we think maida, and we classify both of these foods as demons. But I am here to save the day and tell you that pizza is actually a really healthy meal. And a balanced one too. What? Have I gone insane? What the hell am I talking about, right? Let's break pizza down. We have a flour-based pizza base, some tomato sauce, some veggies, meat, and finally some cheese. Let's start with the pizza base. Most pizza bases are made of maida. Now I know what you're thinking, maida sucks. But actually, it's not that unhealthy. Now I'm not saying you should keep eating maida all the time, but all nutrition guidelines say that half your grains in the day should be whole grains. So if you're doing your bit through the rest of the day, you absolutely can have some maida pizza too. Also, the only difference between maida and whole wheat flour is that the fiber has been removed from the maida. But you can absolutely get this fiber from the veggies that you add on your pizza. Still, if you want to optimize your nutrients, you can always use a 100% whole wheat pizza base. Now, whole wheat pizza bases are made from the same atta that roti is made. So you can't possibly think that that is junk. Well, unless you think that rotis are junk too. Also, I've linked my video about maida right here. Check it out to learn why maida is not the devil that you think it is. Next is the tomato sauce. This is by far my most favorite part of a pizza. Tomato sauce is cooked, we don't eat it raw, and cooking it actually optimizes and maximizes all its nutrients, and of course, it increases the flavor like a million times. Load up your pizza with lots of tomato sauce, and this will contribute towards the fiber and veggie portion of your meal. Mind you, not tomato ketchup, tomato sauce made of fresh tomatoes. What's possibly unhealthy about this? So we're halfway there. The pizza base is healthy, the tomato sauce is healthy. Now on to the next layer. This one is vegetables and meat. Now no one will claim that vegetables are bad for you. Load your pizza up with veggies so that you're filling up on fiber, which is great for your health and also prevents you from overeating. If you eat meat, you can add some of that in here too. Protein again helps you keep full and will prevent you from overeating. In fact, out of carbs, protein and fat, protein is the macronutrient that will keep you the most full. Different meats and different vegetables have different textures and flavor, and all of this really adds some character to your pizza. And now the final layer, cheese. I think more than maida, this is the ingredient that sets people off and makes them think pizza is really unhealthy. Let's break down cheese. Great source of calcium, great source of protein, and not to forget, most importantly, great taste. But also fat. Is pizza high in calories? Is it going to make you gain weight, gain fat? No. No single food can make you gain weight or fat. It completely depends how much of this food you are eating. And no one is asking us to grate an entire block of cheese on the pizza. In fact, dairy has a special kind of fat known as CLA, which is good for body fat loss. You can check out and learn more about CLA in my video linked right here. Cheese will not make you fat. In fact, it has great taste and it's full of protein and fat, and these will help keep you full and prevent you from overeating. So, whole grain base, fiber-filled veggies and sauce, protein and fat-filled cheese and meat. A pizza is a super balanced meal. What generally happens is that we tend to eat pizza at occasions or alongside foods and drinks like alcohol and carbonated beverages. And yes, this combination can backfire on your health. But in and of itself, a pizza is completely fine to eat. Please remember, there are people in other parts of the world, Italy for example, who eat pizza like a staple food, the way we eat roti and sabzi. And there are not people in Italy roaming around with disease and with poor health from eating pizza. If you find yourself eating too much pizza at a time, pair your pizza with a soup or a salad. Start your meal with the soup or salad and have the pizza follow up. This way, you'll already be a little full when you're eating your pizza and you'll end up eating it only for taste and not to fill your hunger. So you'll be able to stop exactly once you are satisfied. Also, and most importantly, this entire video is about pizza that you make at home. Because you really can't control what goes into the pizza you get from outside. Pizza or any other food for that matter. But the soup salad trick still works for pizza that you order from out. So eat your pizza and all other food guilt-free. And if you still have doubts about how to include pizza to optimize your health, you can reach out to me on my Instagram handle, reallife.dietitian. And now about the channel update as I mentioned. So a lot of you in some comments on my videos have stated that you're surprised that my videos don't get more frequent views. I'm really thankful to all of you who have been super regularly following me. Now as some of you might know, especially if you're a client of mine or if you've been following me on Instagram, I specialize in working with people who have PCOS or women who are either pregnant, looking to get pregnant, or want to manage their health after delivering a baby. Women have such different nutritional needs depending upon which life stage they're in, and this is something that I love to focus on. Now I realize that this channel might not be the best place for that, which is why I'm going to be starting a separate channel that's going to focus on women's health related nutrition content. More details about this channel to follow later in the week. Of course, all of you are invited to follow along and to subscribe to that channel if the topics appeal to you. And please do spread the word to all women in your life. Since I'll be splitting the video content over 2 channels, you will now find videos on Frise and Shine every alternate Saturday instead of every Saturday. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments below or reach out to me on Instagram. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.